What are the classification of hydraulic valves? We know that hydraulic valves are subdivided into three main categories: directional control valves, pressure control valves, and flow control valves. Let us now see further classifications. Directional control valves are categorized as check valves, directional spool valves, directional poppet valves. Check valves stop the flow of fluid in one direction and allow free flow in the opposite direction. They're also known as non-return valves. Directional spool valves comprise a moving spool situated in the valve housing. They are low in cost, have low actuating force, high switching power, low losses. Directional poppet valves can operate at a maximum operating pressure of up to 1000 bar. They are fitted into housing bores with a threaded connection, hence referred to as hydraulic cartridge valves. The movable seating elements may consist of balls, poppets, or plates. Pressure control valve is further divided into pressure relief valve and pressure reducing valve. Pressure relief valves are used in hydraulic systems to limit the system pressure to a specific set level. If this set level is reached, the pressure relief valve responds and feeds the excess flow from the system back to the tank. Note that the pressure relief valve is a normally closed pressure control valve. Pressure reducing valves are used to influence the output pressure of the hydraulic system to a subsystem. Reducing the input pressure or maintaining a particular output pressure is achieved at a set value, which is below the varying pressure occurring in the main hydraulic circuit. Note that the pressure control valve is normally open. Flow control valves are divided into two types: throttle valves, flow control valves. Throttle valves come in piston and needle valve structures, but we also know them as turn plugs with axial or radial grooves. The smothering of grooves is more accurate but provides more variability than those with piston structures. The disadvantage of throttle control valves is that a great deal of power is required to move the needle only a slight amount. Flow control valves are used to influence the speed of movement of actuators by changing the opening for the flow at the throttling point. The throttling point operates at a fixed setting, but the throttle opening before the throttling point varies with pilot pressure of the load. Note that the flow control valves divide an oncoming flow into two or more flows to distribute the flow of a single pump to two or more subsystems with different operating pressures.